Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about the following cars, following trucks here. So now let's check with me with this truck first. Firstly I have to put some water so we can see some parts of any cars here. Okay, I bring one, shake it in water. The first one is super motorbike. We can see this kind of super motorbike in USA, everybody. Now check the next one. Another interesting, another amazing vehicle. This one is a cute airplane, a cute helicopter. A nice helicopter, a cute helicopter, a little helicopter with number F868. Now check the next one, everybody. This one is a cute racing car, a cute supercar with number 58, yellow color. Okay, let's move to another one. Yellow super motorbike. Everybody, this is a yellow super motorbike, a nice super motorbike. How about this one? Air drum bus, white color. The next one, four wheels motorbike. Four wheels motorbike, a nice motorbike, Everybody, this is a yellow express bus, You can see a yellow express bus. Green supercar, a nice supercar, my dream supercar. But this kind of car is very expensive. How about this one? Cute car. Everybody, this is a cute car. Hero Spider-Man, red color. Hero Spider-Man, red color. My favorite hero when I was a child. Another Spider-Man, but this one is a little Spider-Man with red color with a big hat. Now check the next one. Four-wheel super motorbike. Four-wheel motorbike. Okay, the next. Garbage truck. You can see a little garbage truck, a mini garbage truck. We can see this kind of truck in cities. Everyone, let's move to another truck. You can see white airplane first, but we have to see clearly about it. So I have to check and clean first and check. White airplane, mini airplane, cute airplane, amazing cute airplane with a word happy, 868, white color. Now check the next one. How about this one? Mini monster truck. You can see a mini monster truck, a cute monster truck. Amazing monster truck. How about this one? Leather truck with cute colors. I love it colors. Very cute. Now check the next. How about this one, everybody? Mixer truck. Cement mixer truck. Okay, cement mixer truck. The next one about this one, bus, shoot bus, everybody, shoot bus, mini bus. This one is an express bus. Okay, very nice, amazing express bus. Everybody, if you like my video, please write down, click a like button, and especially click a subscribe button. So now I should finish my video. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck.